So what's happening, YouTube? It's my first little video, so I'm new to all this shit, so y'all gonna have to bear with me. But right now, shit, we doing an analysis. Well, hold on. Let me introduce myself. I'm saying my name Real Sniper, the biggest sniper. Shit, I've been doing this little investing / trading journey for the past, they say about 5.5 years. For the first 2 years, which is around like ending of 2019, beginning of 2020, to about, I say 2022. I started off like just trying to learn how to long-term invest. I was really studying everything, like long-term invest, trade, and all that. I didn't really have no direction, but I knew I was, studying, learning, whatever. Fast forward, so I say about 2022, 2023, the end of 2022, that's when I really like started to understand the difference in the disciplines of like long-term investing versus short-term trading and all that. So I say about 2022 is when I really start taking off to that serious whoop. Every day since the beginning of me starting this whole little trade and investment journey, since the very beginning, I do this shit every day, day in, day out. From sun up to sundown, I do this shit every day. This shit a part of my life. It's a part of me for sure. But yeah, so anyways, that's a little piece of my journey. Shit. What up? I think that's it for right now. Yeah. So 2023, that's when I really started gaining traction, like a motherfucker for real. So I really start I'm gonna show y'all my little journal. Saying, not really a journal, but this is $1 million worth of game. But this my little trading binder. I got shit, bro. I got sheets and charts and shit from 2021. So this just to show how long I've been doing it and how dedicated I've been. So I'm gonna give y'all a little background, some more background. I'm gonna show y'all a little something. See what I'm saying? These are my first 2 notebooks that I started with. Get Rich book, this the first one, volume 1. Get Rich book number 2, this volume 2. See what I'm saying? I'm on my way. For sure. So, I'm gonna show y'all a little something. And I ain't even made it yet. I'm just showing y'all, see what I'm saying? Documenting the journey, because the stage I'm at now, it ain't gonna be too much long before I'm, see what I'm saying, successful at this. For sure. So yeah, my little journal. Look, I told y'all back in 2020, hold on. I used to draw on this too. Like, man, I was trying to find, well, not really trying, but bro, I was 19 back in 2020, so I'm just finding a way, bro. Like, I even thought about doing Airbnbs. Of course, that shit take money, but, I'm just playing the Airbnb, rental car business, crypto group, all that. But shit, you know how it go. So, let me see. I'm gonna show y'all a little something. This my little journey, man. Stocks, this one I got very first started, bro. Like, yeah, man. Crypto group, bro. Shit. This from 04, 07, 2020. I think I had some of them dates wrong, though. So this from, April 7, 2020. I used to go on FinViz, or I use TD Ameritrade, and I go to I research some good profitable companies or whatever. And this is back during the COVID crash. And I used to just go down and I track how much they was down for the year, because I had planned on buying the dip or whatever, investing in the dip. But I'll get into that little scenario later. But yeah, so all these companies, I was researching. I was keeping track of who was down the most, what the best companies that was down the most for the year, and then I'll write the price. See what I'm saying? And I did this, man, I don't know how long, but I did this shit for a minute. See, I'm just learning about this shit. Dividend stocks, day trading, shorting, resistance. Just learning. Some of the people I used to look up to, man, Umar Ashraf, my nigga Noor, Tim Sykes. I can't forget about Steven Ducks. Then was the few, and Jay Pele. I used to watch some of their YouTubes and shit. But for me, I'm the type of person, I gotta do something on my own and just go through the struggle, by myself with no help. Because that's how I grasp stuff better, if that makes sense. Because I feel like, and I don't knock nobody getting help, taking courses, having a mentor, none of that. Because at the end of the day, if I would have had that, or if I could have afforded to have a mentor and, buy the courses and all this, man, the boot camps and all that, bro, I feel like it would have shortened my learning curve. So it wouldn't took me as long as it's taking me, to get successful at this. But one thing I can say, doing it on my own, I developed my own way of interpreting the market. I got my own strategies, my own setups. So yeah, it's different paths you could take, but man, I took the hard route. I ain't had no mentor, I ain't had no courses, I ain't had nobody to teach me, tell me, show me nothing. Got all this shit out the mud, but yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, anyways, and look, when I was learning, I had just got into it. I start grasping and understanding certain concepts and shit early. Like, okay, this back in 2020, bro, COVID, 04, 09, gang. So look, Neuro, self-driving, Domino's, Domino's used this company for their self-driving, for their self-delivery. Back then, their stock price was $133. I even had my plan, about 800 shares. See what I'm saying? Now, we're going to go to Neuro right now, see what they at. Shit, they at 438, but shit, we're going to go, let's see the 5 day. Because we could get the years. Shit, I ain't gonna lie. Even Neuro looking good for sure. But back in 2020, bro, damn. Look, back in 2020, bro, that shit was at 133. Right, look, 133. I'm tracking this shit. So, let me see. Is this the right shit? Nah, I think this the wrong one. I ate that shit out. But let me see. Hold on. I think they a private held company. So you can't even buy regular shares on the market. Let me see. Shit, young nigga, man, just on my grind right now. Cause right now I feel like I know for a fact I'm at the stage, bro. It ain't too much more like learning I gotta do, cause I perfected my strategy, and my way of going about with the market. Right now, it's like shit, capital and patience. That's it. But let me see. Man, my fucking computer tripping. Fuck that. So I'm gonna use the iPad, bro. Oh, there it go. I think this the one Domino was using. Oh, this fucking computer about to piss me off. See? So, where's this shit at, bro? Neural self-driving. Oh, so yeah, that's a privately held company. But shit, if we could see the price, bro. Yeah, so this this was a privately held company. But shit, Beep, Waymo, all this is AI stocks. I'm looking at AI. This back in 2020, bro, before all this shit was really in our face and, you know, integrated into society like it is now here in 2025. But yeah, man. So anyways, shit, these are the companies I was looking at, man. AI companies: Adient, Delphi, Aptiv, self-driving software, Baidu, Bosch, kind of, man, yeah. There's some more shit. JC Penney, you know. But yeah, so, man, it's a little journey. Look, I'm learning. This is, mind you, this is in 2020, so I'm still I'm studying long-term investing, trading, you know, I'm studying everything. Like, I was everywhere with this shit, basically. See what I'm saying? Trying to find my way. But yeah, see, Pancake Swap, staking with Pancake Swap and all that. Like, I'm trying to learn how to stake. It's like I was trying to do a million different things at once, but didn't really know which direction I wanted to take. So I just said, fuck it, I'm gonna study it all. Yeah, look, this crypto investing. But yeah, man, trying to get my strategies. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, and I remember, shit, see, I'm learning certain different setups, patterns, bro, like indicators. Yeah, got this shit out the mud, gang. But look, I used to write myself. I write, like, I talk to the future me, because I still do that now. And, shit, man, I write down what we'll talk about. Or, like, I write down what my future self would tell me. See what I'm saying? Because even though it's like, okay, when you see your future self, or you know, like, your future self, your future you could talk to the current you. So that'll help you, like, navigate in a way. It give you more confidence as well, because in order to believe in your future self, and, you know, to believe that you're gonna be what you're gonna be and say what you're gonna do and all that, and achieve what you want to achieve, you gotta really believe that shit. I ain't talking about like, yeah, I think, nah, you gotta know. So anyways, yeah, see, came a long way. I'm proud of you. Look at this, man. And volume 2, which is volume 2 right here. In the volume 2, you're gonna be up at least 100K. Consistency, profitable. Just stay focused, you know. Remember. And that was shit, 2021 game. See, my future self. But yeah, so that's volume 1. That was a little, you know, synopsis on volume 1. This shit, nah, this volume 2. This that motherfucker. That motherfucker. Show y'all folks something real quick, man. And we're gonna get to the charts and get to some current shit. But yeah, this is just my way of introducing myself. I really don't, just like how I started with the stocks and like crypto, like learning how to invest and all that shit, and I'm all over the place with it. Same thing with YouTube, like shit, I don't really know how to do this shit. I'm new to this shit, but shit, fuck it. You gotta start. See what I'm saying? And you will learn and get better and pick up certain shit along the way. Volume 2, this one shit got serious though. Like, hey, man. Ebooks, shit, I bought a couple ebooks, PDF files. Shit, I researched a lot of shit on Google. Like, and then my main thing that helped me learn is actually getting in the market. Like, even from day one, bro, I was in the market actively buying and selling, and you know, even though I was losing money, I was learning a lot. So I look at it like early on me losing money in the market, bro, that's me paying my tuition. Cause like I said, I've been doing this shit for a little over 5 years. So that's the same amount of time somebody go to school for. You go to school for a bachelor's degree. It's 4 years. You see what I'm saying? After you graduate school, you know, with your degree and all that, you still got to find a job. See what I'm saying? So that's how it is for me. Like, okay, I done went through school. I understand what I want to do. I know where I'm going, all that. I know where I'm headed. So now I got to find a job. So for me, my version of finding a job, bro, is getting more capital, bro. And, you know, just working on what I got to work on outside the market so I can flourish and do what I need to do in the market. But yeah, so yeah, man, it's a journey though. This volume 2 of this shit, man. Every day, day in, day out, bro. I'm working. See what I'm saying? Like, different strategies, bro. Different setups, man. See? Shout out a little something, man. KuCoin, I was trading on KuCoin, man. Look, Confluence trading, bro. And this whole time, see, I write notes in my little notebooks, bro. Tell myself, keep going, you know, keep myself motivated. Not necessarily motivated, but, you know, keep pushing myself. But, yeah. KuCoin trading strategy, this shit probably from 2022. See, and I was trading on KuCoin. I couldn't. Yeah, so, like, I didn't really know what I was doing. I didn't have a full understanding of what exactly I was doing or how to really go about it. That's why I say I was all over the place with this shit. But yeah, man. Shit, man. Look, nigga looking for different ways, bro, to sell your crypto. Look, how to make money with Paxful. That's a peer-to-peer crypto platform to where you could sell Bitcoin to somebody else and you could upcharge them. So that's for like not companies, but people who can't buy Bitcoin in their country. You could sell it directly to them and you could up the price so you make a little profit, whatever. But yeah, look, man, I pay you, you sell, yeah. Nigga, I'm talking about selling Amazon gift cards, bro. And all this, everything that I've did for the past 5 years, bro, was literally to get me better and prepare, you know, for the market and all that, man. But shit, one thing about it, I don't regret shit. I don't take nothing away. I don't take nothing back, man. I accept everything that comes with this, the ups, downs, late nights, man, the good days, bad days. I accept it all. See what I'm saying? And I ain't even rich yet. But that's how it is. So, look, keep going, boy, you know. You really got to motivate yourself, bro. And on some real shit, you truly got to see it in yourself, bro. You really got to see it in yourself. Like, fuck what anybody else talk about. fuck what everybody else see. Man, you could do it, bro. Man, fuck all that. You gotta know for yourself that you can do that shit. See what I'm saying? That you can achieve what you want. But yeah, man, how to use MACD. I don't even use that shit, man. But I'm just learning, bro. I'm just learning, bro. That's it. Look, man. And half this shit, bro, I don't even trade this shit. Supply and demand. I don't trade that shit. Look at all that, bro. See, man. You know, kept going. And see, remember how I said I'm going to be rich and up. Well, not necessarily rich, but up 100K plus after volume 2. I'm not even done with volume 2. See what I'm saying? But that shit gonna happen for shit show. Yeah, man. Look, mental building, like, that's why I say even working on stuff outside the market, bro. Getting shit together outside the market. Mental, that's a big thing, bro. So these some of the people I look up to, or you know, I can, in a way you could say admire, cause they journeys, you know, they knowledge, man, they done been through it. Everybody doing different things, but I mean, some of the core principles of, you know, how to be successful, it kind of correlate with everything, whatever you're trying to do. See what I'm saying? So yeah, Jim Ron, that's my dog. Bob Proctor, Rev Ike, Eric Thomas, Wayne Dyer, man, listen to them almost every day, bro. But yeah, man, that's that. I'm just learning this shit, man. This was, look, 10/07/22. See what I'm saying? Man, 2022, I was 21. I ain't read nan motherfucking book. I'm not gonna lie. I ain't read none of them books. Trading in the Zone. Mind you, I don't knock it, but that's just not me. I ain't read nan motherfucking book. None of that. And the few books I did, bro, I probably read like 2 books out of my whole journey / career with book. But, man, I literally skimmed through the motherfucking pages, bro. I skim the pages, skim the chapters. I see certain shit that resonate with me or that I like. I write it down. But other than that, bro, I did not finish them books. Not gonna lie. But yeah, look, price action. Man, listen. Did this shit every day, bro. I can't even say did. I do this shit every day, gang. I just don't gotta do all this kind of shit. Now it's just being more active. But yeah, my 2 little notebooks, man, over the years. So now what we about to do, we about to get into the market. So that's a little bit of my journey. I'll touch more on it in another video. But yeah, man, anybody out there chasing something, I don't give a fuck if you trying to sell hot dogs. Man, listen, believe in yourself, bruh. You see what I'm saying? Like, you could do that shit. I don't give a fuck if you trying to sell goddamn. Nigga, you could be trying to sell grass. Man, listen, anything possible, bruh. Especially in 2025, if you really want it, in my opinion, if you really want something, or you really want to achieve something, bro, you not gonna leave no room for yourself to make an excuse, no matter what happened. See what I'm saying? And that's how I go about it. Like, man, I don't give a fuck. That's why I said I accept everything that come with this. Cause at the end of the day, I know for sure I'm gonna be successful at this shit. No excuses. Ain't no excuse. See what I'm saying? But at the same time, you gotta have that work ethic. You can't have either or. You gotta have both. But yeah, shit, I'm doing a little too much now. But anyways, yeah, man. So right now, she better look at Bitcoin, motherfucker. Bull run, that shit, man. Bull run definitely back in play. Look at that shit, man. You know what I'm saying, bro? I really do this shit. But yeah, look, this is the, I don't know, Shit, 2050. This the 50 EMA right here. This just a regular pullback to the 50 EMA, right? It didn't close below or none of that. Pull back, and this is a nice green candle. It closed above all this shit. See what I'm saying? So yeah, and look, we broke above the 20 EMA. So bull run definitely back in motion. Damn, could have made some money. Shit, the past few days, it's cool though. But shit, yeah. So right now, Bitcoin at 93. I expect us to have a little pullback to around like 90K, 88 to 90K, whatever. Then we going back up, man, back to the moon. Ethereum, Middle East. I'm gonna give y'all clear charts so y'all can goddamn really see. I don't want y'all to see the market from my view. I can tell y'all and show y'all a part of what I see, and then you learn to interpret it yourself, because that's the best way you learn, in my opinion. That's how I learn. Like, I ain't want to do it or follow nobody, and then I'm trying to trade how they trade, and I'm not understanding, because everybody got different understandings, everybody got different personalities, everybody got different risk tolerance. So that's why, in my opinion, bro, it's best to, even though it's not easy, get this shit out the mud. But if you got that luxury where you can afford a mentor and do all that, courses and groups, man, I don't knock it, man. Go for it. But yeah, so this is Ethereum. Go to the 5-day. Man, look at this. See, so it broke this little trend line. Shit, that's when we dropped. But where we at right now? You see this daily, right? We closed on the daily. We closed above the motherfucking 20 EMA. See what I'm saying? So I would like to see a break and retest of the 50. Then shit, next target is the 200, which is 2720. And to be honest, I don't really rely on EMAs. I don't rely on no type of indicator. But I do use certain indicators for confluence to match up with price action. So you get all the examples. Say 20 and 50 EMA is about to cross. The 20 is about to cross over the 50 EMA. I call it a bullish crossover. So the 20 cross over the 50 EMA, and price action is at support, of, say, prices in a range, right? So you got a solid support, you got a solid resistance. All right, confluence, where the confluence will come in at is where you see price action. You see price action is at range. It's at the range support. Okay, cool. All right, now at the range support, it's you got the 20 and a 20 crossing over the 50 EMA, or a bullish EMA crossover. Okay, cool. That's 2. Then say you got a pattern like a double bottom, a triple bottom, or something. That's 3 solid confluences. You see what I'm saying? So it just basically make you have a stronger, a better analysis. But yeah, I definitely see the market recovering very, very soon. New all-time highs for sure. See? So yeah. But yeah, man, I ain't gonna hold y'all, man. I just want to do a little introduction, man. Like I said, I'm new to this shit. I'm just learning how to do this YouTube shit, Yeah, man. My Instagram is real sniper. The 1 in sniper. The I in sniper is a 1. Shit, follow me. If you on the grind too, you chasing the same thing. Even if you chase something different, but you on your grind, working towards something, about to make something happen. Shit, give me a follow, reach out, goddamn. We could connect, network, all that, whatever. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I am looking for people. Well, I ain't looking for nothing, but I do wanna I would like to connect with people who on the same path, got the same mindset as me, and you ain't even got to trade like day trade or none of that. You could fucking do e-commerce. You see what I'm saying? But yeah, whatever. So yeah, man. But shit, I'ma fuck with y'all though. Fuck with y'all YouTube.